Instead of pruning my tomato plants later in the season, here's what I do to keep them growing strong and healthy. The first thing I do is remove any foliage that's turning yellow or brown. This is usually the cause of blight or other fungal diseases. Growing blight-resistant varieties of tomatoes can help reduce the damage to your plants if your blight problems are severe. Removing the infected leaves won't completely solve your blight problem, but it can help slow the spread. As with all nightshades, I dispose of the diseased leaves in the burn pile, not the compost pile. The next thing I want to do is keep the plant contained inside its cage or trellis. This plant sent off a large sucker here, and it's not growing any fruit, so I'm going to cut this all the way back at the stalk, and then end up throwing this away. If one of your unruly branches does have fruit on it, like this one here, I'm still going to prune it off, but I'm going to cut it just past the flower cluster in order to save these fruit. Finally, you need to dispose of your tomato trimmings properly. Because blight's a fungal disease, it can end up getting spread through your compost into next year's garden. That's why it's a good idea to kill it with fire. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to grow more food.